Right, welcome back. Bit of a random video this one now. This weekend, bank holiday weekend, right, we were supposed to be just getting a few jobs done at the house and that, and having, you know, getting some bits done and stuff. And the daughter was going to stay in with the grandparents. Now she's gone with the Nan and Grandad up to Filey. They went up on Friday, and last night she was crying her eyes out. Mum, Dad, I miss you, I don't feel well. Well, we're like 3 hours away, you know, from where they are like. So we said, come on then, we'll go and book a random campsite quick. We'll get up there and we'll take her for a night, like, and see how she is. She'll probably be alright when we get up there. She don't like being away from home, does she? So Mrs. booked a random campsite up in Filey. Now, bearing in mind, it's bank holiday weekend, Leeds Festival's on, everything's going on this weekend, and everything's booked up solid. So God knows what this campsite's going to be like. So we'll get up there, we'll just chuck all the stuff in van, see how we get on up there. Bit of food in fridge, a couple of bottles of wine, stuff like that. That's the best thing about these camper vans. You can just drop a hat, boom, chuck everything in van and just go. So we're on our way up there now. It's going to take us 2.5 hours, 3 hours to get up there. So we'll see what it's like. I believe it's thunderstorms coming tonight as well, so that should be fun. We'll see how that goes anyway, so we'll see you up there. We've got the boss setting up now. Doing a good job of that windbreaker there, Kimmy. Yeah. Nose little zod. Well, quick pitch up there. Just stuck the windbreakers up, 2 windbreakers up, and the ramps out and that, just so people know we're parked there, because it's quite tight on there, to be fair. No doubt we'll get back and someone will be parked in our spot this time. Nicked our table and our ramps. If you don't know what I mean, go and check TikTok out. So we're just picking our little monkey up now, right? I'll tell you what, they're on this cafe here. Look at this. It's like a bloody housing estate. There's like bloody houses, don't they? Not even had a brew yet. 3 hours on road and then whacked a lot of windbreakers up. This must be where posh people stop. They don't rough it like us. Right, so we just picked our monkey up now. There's obviously nothing wrong with her. Is it George? Was you missing your mum?
Yeah.
And dad?
Yeah.
And the dog?
Yeah.
And was you playing with Tegan? Why's Tegan shy there for?
Camera shy, probably.
Camera shy?
Yeah.
Right, so what are you doing?
Now, let me show you the Tegan. Hi. Tegan is so cute, and he just faked shower. This is the bathroom, and I'll show you the house inside that we just came inside the video. And this is the living room, and that's the kitchen. And I'll show you something. You go up these stairs. We've got this bedroom. It's my nan's. We've got this beautiful outside. And I'm going to show you my room. This is my room. And this is our closet. Bye.
Well, we've ended up with our George back with us tonight, haven't we, George? Yes. Yeah, iPad's took over now. Just got back, chucked the van up. Awning's wazzed up now. Chairs right, table's out, camp set up. Missy's got shoes off now, that's it, wind on. Have a minute. I think there's an act on tonight as well, but we don't know if we're going that yet. It's been a long morning after. We had a bit of a disaster last night. Had a bottle of wine between us, and we had a glass on the table, and true camper van style, we're stacking stuff up because there's no room for much. Something fell off and then knocked a glass of wine all over the van. It was all over the seat. The missus was covered in it. I got a dirty look. Mr. George, you were fast asleep, weren't you, monkey?
I had a comfy bed last night.
She had a comfy bed last night, so she slept all night now. Probably picked her up. Now we're just going to knock up some bacon, aren't we, George?
Yeah.
Doing bacon butties, well, bacon on toast. Get the old toast to go in. Bright sunshine today, absolutely gorgeous. And then we're going to go for a wander on the
electric scooter.
On the scooter. Let's see what's on here.
Me and Daddy have got our own handles.
We have. So we're going to have a mooch around the campsite in a bit, see what's up here. And then I think we're going to have a wandering tour, Scarborough.
Yeah.
And
we're going on the big wheel.
And the big wheel.
And we will see you when we're at Scarborough.
Right, I think coffee this morning is going to be these new ones I've just got. Starbucks Ice Blend Lungos. These ones apparently got a hint of toffee. What are we on? Medium roast. Get one of these knocked up. Bacon all over your face. Right, well, how's that an intro to a video? You're going food all over your face. You have to do a proper video, like proper, like what you're going to say or something. And speak normal. You've already said hi. Said hi before. You don't say hi again, do you? No. Right, get your hands, colour them hands. The binging. Trying to get a parking spot. Bank holiday weekend. Whitby. Nightmare. Check this out. I know it's a spot. Oh, found a spot, didn't we, George? Finally. Just had to do a bit of off-road, haven't we? Teague there, joined us, haven't you, lad? Yeah. Where are we, Teague?
Whitby.
Whitby.
I thought I was going to Scarborough.
No, changed mine because it was lashing down in Scarborough, so we've come up to Whitby instead.
Because it's so sunny.
Heard Whitby happy there, yeah? Stunning view. Looks like we may some rain clouds over there, fingers crossed. We're stay dry. Bought a new camera as well. Not using it now at a minute, but you might see some random footage in this. I ain't got a clue how to use it. These bloody tourists here. Jesus Christ. The steps of doom. It's alright going down, I'm not coming back up. Jesus Christ. There's a bit of killers, some whingers. George down there, running down here full chat. See a bit first one complain, coming back up. My legs are hurting, can you carry me up? And you watch. You watch. I think we should get out a sign for the van.
What is it?
Don't know, good job you can't read, isn't it?
No.
Drink Grandad Shane like that one in his house.
Yeah. Oh, I actually like that.
Not saying he drinks wine or anything like that. Dragged into another random shop. What's this one, Kim?
It's a nice stuff.
Jake, it's a nice shop.
I don't know. No, it stinks.
That's got to be the tiniest bar I've seen in Whitby. Look at it. Did it? That's Mrs. You want to go for a pint? Yeah, I'm shopping. What was that?
Ouija board.
What do you do with Ouija boards?
You like talk to spirits.
It's not that bad.
God, you've got no attack you, have you? Can't take kids anywhere, can you?
What are they?
They're teeth of a fish. Like a shark or something.
That's big.
That's massive, that. Oh, they were banned. Is that a troll or a gonk? Leave a comment. There's the naughty pirates.
What's in trouble? You'd like to see what happens to pirates come to the end, ever?
Sweet, that's us back now from Whitby. Bit of a drama on the way back. Georgia, right, is the only person who can find a grid with no lid on it next to a wall, which actually stands in it and falls straight down it. Didn't you, George? Did you get smelly foot? She's not talking now. So we've had to go back to the Nan and Grandad's where she had a bath because she was stinking, and I mean stinking. So we just come back now, and so we've got her for another night now. No peace for us, is there, George? Eh?
What?
No peace for us, is there? So we're going to have a mooch up on this campsite now. We've been here, what, near second day of this now? Second day now, we've not even been up onto the complex yet. Just been in fields. 45 quid a night as well. We've just been up to Whitby Abbey now. We parked up at, was it Headline Car Park, something like that, was it?
Yeah, Abbey Headline Park.
So Abbey Headline Park, right. And we got chatting to a couple there. They were saying to them, like, because they were in a camper outside of us. I said, oh, you're staying for the night, you lot? What's the script here? She went, oh yeah, we're going to stay for the night. I said, how much you paid? She went, 9 quid. We've just paid 45 quid for a field, same. She paid 9 quid for the night, and it's an absolutely gorgeous view as well.
View of the Abbey in Whitby.
Yeah, view of the Abbey in Whitby. Lesson learned. Right, let's go into this complex anyway and we'll see what's going on. Come in, come in. Is it wet, that? Dry-ish.
That was not fun.
Well, it's us back at the van now. George had a run right park, ain't you, Cop? We got chicken nuggets, chips, we have cheese crackers and that. Watching a cheeky movie. See you in the morning. Well, it's last day now. All packed up. Van's all, well, I said packed up with a fashion. How else does van look like that when they pack all the stuff up? Never as neat is it as when you actually come away, like. But Mrs. and grandparents are down at the beach over there now, down at Filey. I've just parked up on top of Cliffs because I'm going to do a bit of editing and that, and I've got some stuff to do. So I'll let them chill out because I think they're going for a dipping sea, and I hate seawater. For some reason it just makes my skin crawl. I don't know why, but it just does. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. On my next one, I think what I'm going to do, because I've had quite a lot of questions across social media with regards to, you know, how much does your van build cost? What, you know, what's it cost you for doing that? And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a breakdown, basically, of just, you know, what the fans, what it's cost me, so what I pay for the van, units and all that stuff, just everything what goes in it really, because it's quite surprising. I think I might shock myself as well and actually sit down and write it down, you know, actually how much it's come to. So that'll be the next one, I think, so stay tuned for that one. And obviously turn your reminders on that, because that would be an interesting one, that, for actually see the actual price it costs just to convert your van yourself. And someone just parked up beside of me now, massive feel like this, if they have to park beside of me. Do you know what, right, I've never understood people, right, why they have to park so close to you. Right, look where this guy's just parked. I don't think he could have got any closer, right, bearing in mind, look at the space over there, look at it, it's all around the van. Could have parked anywhere, but he had parked there. Honestly, I think, is it me being anal, or is just some people just that blatantly ignorant that there's just no words for it? Honestly, I just don't understand why I need to park there. What am I going to put my chairs out or anything?